Guys, good morning everyone and welcome to Corniche, Jeddah. This place is amazing, it's beautiful. It's one of the longest drives that you can do. Think Gurney Drive in Penang, but Gurney Drive is very short. This is very long. I think it's an entire esplanade of walkway and bicycle path that stretches across the whole entire coast. Behind me, that's the Red Sea. Yeah, you can see the Red Sea over there. Surprisingly, the water is very clean, despite it being a city. Over there, that's the Royal Palace. It stretches all the way to the end over there. It's such a huge compound. Oh, amazing. And the water is really clean. Well, apparently this is a prayer mat. So if you want to pray, well, you just pull this out. And then it can be a prayer mat for you to pray. Interesting. And it's right next to the sea. Done with Corniche, and now we're ordering Uber to go to another stop. You can actually use Uber here, and there's also another application called Kareem. Saudi is very advanced right now.
Later.
We're in Balad, which is the old city of Jeddah, which is why the architecture here is still very true to its old nature. Very beautiful, like architecture I've never seen before. Amalia said that this place wasn't used to be like this. Yeah, when she left this place 10 years ago, they started renovating the place, it seems. Balad actually has two sections. One is the old city and one is the new city. We decided to walk to the new city after that and we were quite surprised. No, we're not back in Indonesia, it's just that this place has a lot of Indonesians. There's one toko here called Toko Alimura, which is a very famous place for Indonesians to shop for souvenirs before they go back to the country. So yeah, a lot of the signs are in Indonesian. And in case you didn't know, this is Masjid Qisos, where a lot of the criminals have their limbs cut off for various crimes they committed. It's no longer that common, but after certain Friday prayers you might be able to see it. Oh, Assalamualaikum! What's up? Hi everyone, we're in Saddah Restaurant and we're having Mandi. Oh man, Mandi. With our old friend here, Hussein. Yeah, say hi to Hussein. Hi Hussein. Yeah. This is how Arabs eat, by the way, and we're sitting in the family section. See, this is cordoned off. Yeah, so that we cannot see the outside world. Yeah. But is it good?
Oh, it's good.
It's good, huh? Okay,
it's juicy.
It's juicy? Okay.
Juicy and not dry.
Yeah, it does look very juicy. Oh! Can't wait to dig in. This is Jeddah Waterfront City, the new development in Jeddah. It's beautiful, it's amazing and it's clean. The water is crystal blue and there's bicycle lanes, there's a lot of place for you to run, there's a huge esplanade where you can walk. It's amazing. Yeah, so that's it from the Jeddah Waterfront. It's beautiful. I think I highly recommend this place. The trash problem is still slightly a bit of a problem, but otherwise it's
a big problem.
It's a huge improvement from the rest of Jeddah. I think this is a good start. So that's it, this is our last day in Jeddah and we're moving out right now. We're very thankful that we've been getting like free hotel stays everywhere we're going. Like to this one in Jeddah, we got it for like 6 nights for free. Oh man, so thankful. And the hotel is pretty nice. fully carpeted, warm water is hot, everything is nice.
Thank you, Om Wujang.
Yeah, thank you,
Om Wujang, for giving us free hotels.
Yes, it's not a 5-star residence, but it feels like 5-star. It's as good as the 5-star hotel we stayed in Mecca and Medina. So yeah. Alright.
Oh, خلاص. Okay.
Alright, thank you. See you. Waalaikumsalam. Okay. Bye bye. Jangan lupa sama kita. Terima kasih. Guys, so we're at the airport right now. This is Jeddah International Airport. We didn't go to the one for Hajj and Umrah because we have a lot of people helping us out, and they managed to get us into this international airport, which is easier to board because there's less people. But this airport has been the same one since Amalia arrived here during 1989. There hasn't been any expansion to the airport, so it's still the same small size for an international airport, which is quite interesting. Yeah, look at our amount of baggage that we're bringing. We managed to get like a free allowance for our baggages, so there's unlimited amount of baggage that we can bring. So mom just packed in like a whole gazillion ton of stuff into that thing. I guess we probably exceed about 100 plus kilos or something like that. Yeah, it's really heavy, each one of them, so we had to use like a porter, and you have to tip them like about 20 riyals. Yeah, because it's just too heavy. Yeah, I managed to clear everything like the security, the immigration and everything. There was a bit of a problem in terms of cabin luggage, but alhamdulillah everything was sorted out, so no issues there. Yeah, looking forward to the flight. It's gonna be a long flight, and then I'm gonna start work immediately tomorrow. So back to reality, I guess. And it seems like the entire bus is quite empty. We're gonna go to the next terminal where the Hajj and Umrah pilgrims are gonna board the bus. We're in the international terminal, so there's hardly anybody that boards from here, so yeah, we're the only one in the bus. Guys, pretty much empty flight. Look at that, empty seats everywhere. Wow, it's gonna be a good sleep. Goodbye, Jeddah. Guys, you can see Masjid Haram from here. See, that's the clock tower, the Saddah Tower, and behind that, that's the Kaaba. We're not supposed to fly over Makkah because it's a no-fly zone. Yeah, so the airplane had to go around it, but you can still see it from here. Yeah, so that's it from Jeddah. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. If you dislike the video, give it a thumbs down. And as always, don't forget to subscribe if you like my content. And yeah, don't forget to watch the rest of the Saudi Arabian series. And yeah, don't forget me.